Hey guys, welcome back. So there is no tech update, no tech videos today. Just want to talk to you guys about something what's going on, and I just want to tell you guys something which is very important for you. So why there was no videos from last few days? Actually, my wife is sick. She's on the medical leave, and as a best duty, as a best help, as a husband, I need to be with her to just give my best help or best care that I can give to her. Because no, she's everything for me, so I'm just busy with that. Still she's not well. I'm just working with them, with the doctors and reports. I just have to go each day, hospitals and doctors and so many checkups and all things. You guys know about that. I will wish nobody will face such kind of problems like doctors and hospitals. These things are very tough to see on the life. Anyways, in between that, something else happened which is related to tech. That is why I just thought to tell you about that thing. So if you're following me on Twitter, you guys know that I ordered a phone on 6th of the April. Basically, I have just written something. So that was Nokia 6.1 or Nokia 6 2008 from the Nokia.com website. So this is not first time I'm ordering. Already I have shown you the Nokia one, which already I bought from the purchase from the Nokia.com website. So I'm not just going to file any case on either the companies. So I'm not showing you any such proof like the video footage or audio recordings. Even though I have the voice recorded, it is not good to show you on the public thing. I just want to tell you. So in summary, I ordered a phone and I still did not got it. I ordered on the 6th April and today is 15th April. So 9 days is just too much. As of today's standard, most of the deliveries happens on 1, 2, 3 or maybe 4 days maximum if you are buying any phones sort of that. So 6th April I purchased that phone, and the problem this medical emergencies started happening on the 6th, maybe in the morning, the time I was ordering the phone. So I was not sure what was the problem, so but everything came, and I know that it's gonna take time to get the health in a better condition. So I decided to cancel that phone. So on 8th April I posted on the Twitter like I have canceled the phone because I'm busy and maybe I will buy the Nokia 7 Plus, something like that. So the best way, you guys know that if you have purchased from the Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, most of the companies they offer cancellation feature. I mean, until unless you haven't received the product in person, you have the flexibility. You can cancel it immediately from the phone. Just cancel, give options why you're canceling. It's been cancelled. But since this is third-party seller, there is no such flexibility. Like there is no online portal you can cancel with that. So as a standard procedure, I just written mail to the Nokia HMD like I want to cancel that phone. I still haven't received it, and maybe for whatever reason I want to cancel it that. So what response I got from them is that since the product is already being shipped, it's in the transit, it's with the delivery partner, we cannot do anything. You have to contact with the delivery. So at the first it looks to me to okay, yeah, there is no fault with them, they have already shipped it. So I contacted the delivery, DELHIVRY. If you just type in the Google, you will get that. It's one of the poorest company, courier company. Based on the rating, you can say that 2.1 rating is highly low. So I contacted with them. I written that proper mail like I contacted Nokia HMD. They said that you have to contact with the courier partner to cancel that product. So I simply written the mail to them, and the response I got is that since we are the courier companies, we cannot do that thing. You have to contact to the original company who has sent the product. So that means HMD in the Nokia. So by looking on both the emails, it looks to me like they simply have they just don't want to cancel the product. This is what happened. I written again. So there's so many mail chains going on. We have escalated, we have raised, blah blah blah, all the full crap shit they are just writing here and there. So finally it's not being cancelled. So I decided to call the customer care. I called that. So I talked it, and yeah, by the way, phone was ordered on 6th, and I got the messages for the delivery attempt maybe 8, 9 or 10, something like that. So nobody contacted me like the courier guy, like we are trying to call, people usually call it, sir, we have a delivery for you, are in the home or in the office. It happens, I order product each day almost. You guys know that I just do a lot of shopping. So it is standard procedure. I did not got any call. I just got messages like, we tried to attempt the delivery and we were unable to locate you, something like that. I need to check my Galaxies on the tripod. So some messages like that. So no, I didn't got any call for last 2 days. They said like we just tried to contact you. They completely lied, those bastards. And now the next day on the 10th I got a call. Before that I contacted the customer care like I want to cancel that product. So they said clearly okay, you can just whenever delivery boy will try to contact you, you will simply cancel it, you will simply reject the item like we don't want it, and we will within 2 to 3 or 4 days this product will be shipped back to the original company and you will get the payments back. I said fine. He called me on the third day. I said I want to cancel it. I have talked already to them. He said okay, we will take it back. So 2 days passed, nothing happened, no message came. I called the customer care again. Hey, I tried to cancel the product, what happened? I did not got any message. So he, I got surprised, there was no update at all. They said we tried to contact you and you were not there. That means the delivery guy didn't said anything at all. He just did not said any update back to the company like this guy has cancelled the product. So nothing at all. I said okay, please cancel it. So he said, sir, no problem sir, you have already told me again, we will cancel it. I called again after 2 days, so nothing at all. So I was in a lot of tension nowadays. I just said okay, just give me address, I will go there. So let me show you my Google how I did. So I simply went to Google. You can see a lot of delivery contact is there. So I just delivery courier Gurgaon. So this is one, the nearest came located close to my house. Even the courier the customer care, they said that your phone is in the Dundahera office. So I navigated there. Here is the one. I will show you on the maps and on my timeline. Basically I use phone for navigation. So in my timeline on this, I went yesterday on the 14th. So you can see this is where I went, Vishal Mega Mart. So both address are exactly just on the same place, near Vishal Mega Mart, Old Delhi Gurgaon Road, Dundahera. So this is again Vishal Mega Mart, Dundahera. So here is a surprising thing. They said that this courier company is not working anymore from this location. They already shifted to the new location. Third to fourth time I called again. I said the phone is not there, how you can say this is your address? So they said we don't know about that, your phone is on the new location, really sorry sir, we don't know that. So there's so many bullshit crap are going on, and finally I'm just hoping I'm not going to get my phone delivered. I'm just I cannot do anything, like it's not on my control. I can just make calls and just write emails. So I really don't want you guys to get in such kind of situation. So what I will suggest you to do with that, if you're buying from such kind of places, maybe any website, not any e-commerce website like the Amazon, Snapdeal, Flipkart, eBay, whatever you're doing, if you're buying from any outside third-party sources like the Samsung.com, Nokia.com, any companies you're buying, so do not try to pay the money before that. What I meant is that either you can go with the COD, that is cash on delivery, or just try to make payment via the debit card inside the home. They will carry their machine, their swiping machine, they will take the payment from the home. Never pay in advance, so that it's their responsibility to deliver the phone, because hey, we need to take money from us, so they will simply try to deliver with that. Don't pay with them initially. And it's just so disappointing, at least from the companies like the Nokia. They should not do with that. I'm very very huge old Nokia fan, still carrying more than 20-30 Nokia phones, still I'm using that, and getting such kind of poor responses from the Nokia Twitter site, like we cannot do anything at all, it's already been shipped. So really disappointing, guys. Really very very sad time going on with me. It's a not cheap phone, 17,000 phone. I really don't know whether I will get the phone back or not. I called today itself, I have the recording. They said we will try to arrange on the tomorrow. If I get the phone by tomorrow, definitely I'll try to show you a late unboxing, because I cancelled because I know that I am busy whole day. I have to sit on the office and for the reports, I cannot do any kind of camera comparison, speed test, tips and tricks that I used to show with that. So that's why I cancelled that. Let's see, it's a late unboxing for me, it's not worth for me anymore. But at least if I get the phone back, at least I will say that I have something which I purchased, I got it. I just don't want that my phone is in loss and I lost the money too. So guys, that's the update I want to give you. So once everything will be fine, like my personal life will be okay, I will be back soon, maybe in just a couple of days from now. I'm just working hard. So hope you guys understand my problem, and just take some precautions before you try to buy it. And yes, family is more important, your personal life and your health is more important. Do not just try to work too much. This work intention is just not good. You may get some lot of problems. I will explain you in the future videos. So take care of yours and your best. You're the one you love most, and stay healthy. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Saurabh, and I will catch you very soon. Till then, have a great day.